Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel 2021 in Practice Chapter 4 Independent Project 4 to 4. So if you want to complete similar project Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my MylTLab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access. So we move to the main project step and assignment title is Excel 2021 in practice chapter 4 independent project 4 to 4. We move to the main project step. So step number 1 is open the LR4 stored files and if the workbook open protected view, click the enable editing buttons so you can modify the will rename automatically include your name and change the project file name if directed to do so by your instructor and save it. So I have already downloaded the Excel 2021 in project 4 to 4 and next is click the bill labels hover sheets tab and select the cell A4. So select the bill labels hover worksheets and select the cell A4. Select the A4 and next is select the cell A4 is the billable sheet tab and next is click the question number 3 is click the format tab table buttons and home tab style groups and light gray table style medium 11. So click the format table buttons. So go to the insert tabs and go to the table groups and click the tables and click OK. So format tables and light gray table style medium 11. So apply the light gray table style medium 11. Find the light gray table style medium 11. Light gray table style medium 11. Click OK. So light gray table style medium 11 and next is select the question number 4 is select the C6 and type the formula type is equal to C5 plus 1 to add the one date in the previous cell. So select the C6 and press enter and next is C6 and type the formula C5 plus 1. So C6 is type select the C6 and type the formula C5 plus 1 and add the 1 to date in the previous cell. C5 plus 1, so type is equal to C5 plus 1 and press enter and next is autofill the formula to copy the row 51. So copy the formula C7 to C51, C51, autofill formula to copy to the 51s and next is type the 0.1 0.5 add on in cell E4 and press enter. So select the E4, press enter, E4 and press enter and 0.5 add on. Point 5 add on and press enter. So insert the new column, zero point 0.5 add-on in cell E4, and next is build the formula in cell E5 to add the zero point 0.5 to cell D5 and press enter to copy the formula. Format the result to display the two decimal places and apply the all border. So select the E5 and E5, build formula in cell E5, add a zero point 0.5 in cell D5 and press enter to copy the formula. Format the result two decimal places and apply the all border. So select the E5 and type is equal to D5 plus 0.5 and press enter. Point enters and format the result to display two decimal places and apply the all borders. Apply the two decimal places. So go to the home tabs and go to the number groups and two decimal places, click OK. So 0.5 enter and format the result and 0.5 and format the to display the decimal places and apply the all borders. So go to the home tabs and go to the font groups and click the apply the all borders. Click OK. So question number 7 is complete and we move to the question number 8. So question number 8 is copy a date as a value and select the cell C5, and cell C5 is the reference to the 2D function in cell F2. Select the C5 and reference is 2D function in cell F2. 2D function in cell F2 and select the C5, and next is sort the column by date is the newest to oldest order, and because the date are calculated the formula are wrong, the date that originally in cell C5 sorted row 51 and no relative reference. So next is sort the column by date. So go to the data tabs and click the sort and sort the column by date. Sort by column date. Sort the column by date. Column by date is the newest to oldest, and because the date are calculated the formula are wrong, the date that was originally in cell C5 sorted it row 51 and now has relative reference to cell F48. So click the date and cell value is the order is to newest to oldest. Because the date are calculated, format the formula var wrong, the date originally C5 and C51, and next is click the ads and select the product sense services and cell value and order is to A to Z seedings order and click OK. And click the undo buttons group home tabs and select the C5 the formula are restored. So click the undo buttons, click the undo and C5 the formula are restored and select the C5 to C51. So type the C5 to C51, press enter C51, and you can copy and paste to replace the formula with the actual dates. Go to the home tab and go to the clipboard groups and click the copy. So copy and dates and press Ctrl C, copy the range clipboard and select the C5 and click arrow and paste button. So select the C5 and select the C5, Ctrl C and C5 arrow and paste button and choose the value C5 and go to the home tabs, go to the clipboard groups and click the value, choose the value and press escape to remove moving the border and click the cell C5. The formula replace with the dates be different figures in the next and press escape button and sort the table. So sort the table by date to newest oldest orders. The sort product surface is the ascending order. Sort the table by date. Sort the table by date. So the table by date is the newest to oldest orders. Newest to oldest orders, and next is then sort the product surfaces ascending order. Product surfaces ascending orders A to Z. So question number 9 is complete. So next is question number 10. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my MylTLab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses with accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you a 90 or 95 plus grades your assignment and your exam. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email.